population of more than 11,000, it is recognized as a world-class research university. This is the site for globalization.
Hail, hail, alma mater, hail to De La Salle. We'll hold your banner high and bright, a shield of green and white. We'll fight to keep your glory bright, and never shall we fail. Hail to thee, our alma mater, hail, hail, hail.
Our group will be presenting two areas or fields in the university where globalization is prevalent. The first one is globalization of technology.
So how do you use computer to study?
So with the proliferation of with technology today, we have Google stuff and like that. So if I see something unfamiliar, I just Google the term and I get it. Yay!
You don't use books?
E-books.
E-books.
Some of our pros like to use e-books now rather than the hard. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So do you prefer the old style or the new style of teaching?
I prefer the old style of teaching because it's more engaging and the teacher guides you step by step through the process, and then I tend to listen more to in the discussion.
But don't you find the PowerPoints much more convenient?
But I tend not to listen because the teacher spoon feeds it to me.
Okay. So how do you find using the internet for your communication needs?
I find it very useful because, for example, if you want to save cost on text messaging, you can use the Chica text message to send text messages for free. Then second, you can also use e-groups or FB groups to communicate with your group mates for academic purposes. And then you can also exchange files over the internet through the use of email.
Okay, thank you. So why do you use your BlackBerry?
I used before backstory. I don't use BlackBerry services until November last month. I bought my phone June. So from June to October, no BlackBerry services, text and calls lang. But when I started using my BlackBerry, maximizing all the BlackBerry features, it made me realize how I'm a student journalist, so it made me realize how I could maximize new media in terms of writing news or reporting news like online. Twitter, Facebook, I could post anything that's happening in the university real time. So that's why I like using my BlackBerry and its services right now, because I get to post whatever real time.
Without a doubt, technology has been greatly affected by globalization. The next one that we will be presenting to you is the globalization of finance.
Do you have an ATM?
Yeah.
So what do you use it for?
Basically, since my parents are in the province, we use the ATM so that they could transfer my allowance for the week.
So how do you feel about that? Is it more convenient?
Yeah, definitely, because it's more practical.
Okay. So do you have a credit card?
Yes.
So do you use it?
Yes.
Why? So why do you use the credit card?
It's my dad's way of giving me allowance. And kasi mahirap na pag may cash ka nila, baka manakawan ka. Nanakawan na ako.
So it's more convenient?
Yes.
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 So do you have ATM or credit card, and why do you use it?
I have both ATM and credit card, but my credit card is only a line extension from my father's. And I use the ATM for emergency money in case I go out with my friends or go out alone and I need cash. And I use the credit card for some necessities for school like books. But before I use it, I need to call my dad first.
So do you find it convenient?
How it is.
Yeah.
Depending on the bank. For ATMs, it depends on the bank. Because sometimes there's surcharge for if you don't use the same bank as your ATM card.
Alright, go. So how do you think finance has evolved due to globalization?
I think the industry has become more integrated in the sense that a monetary policy in this country would affect the financials in the other countries. But to an extent, it also posed a problem for many countries because now that they have so much influence, so much power over the other countries, in terms of finance, it creates this whole parang financial imbalance.
Okay.
Yun lang.
So what do you think about the politics in LaSalle?
I think that it is really a good training ground for students since a lot of students nowadays are not really involved or knowledgeable about what's happening with politics in the country or with other countries. So this politics in the South it makes students like more aware of what's happening in the real world and how things really go.
So what do you think about the politics in LaSalle?
Well, I think the political environment of LaSalle is very student-friendly because the student government wishes to listen everyone's voice, even the foreigners, the Filipinos, whatever bracket of income or whatever. So I think the political environment is friendly.
Okay, so Santagan or Tapat, why?
For me, Santagon. Because traditionalist ako, so I prefer the more traditional route rather than the radical quote-unquote na Tapat.
So Santagan or Tapat, and why?
Santagon. I have many acquaintances here.
Okay. Santagan or Tapat, and why?
Santagon. I have more friends in Santagon.
So Santagan or Tapat, and why?
Right now, it's neither. I used to like Tapat, but not anymore because I don't see anything good in the current administration.
Thank you. So Santagan or Tapat?
Wala.
Wala. So Santagan or Tapat, and why?
I abstain because I don't believe in any political party.
Okay.
Globalization is definitely for the good of mankind. With the innovations and advances, life has been made easier. Nevertheless, it still depends on the person himself how he uses the products of globalization for better or for worse.